Let's review how to use the Recipe Scale Conversion accordion on our cooking page. Select the Numbers section, then the Cooking page. Click on the Recipe Scale Conversion accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can click on the Add icon and enter key details such as the ingredient name and select a unit like grams from the drop-down. Input the original recipe quantity and servings, define your desired servings. You can edit any value using the clear icons. Once you are done entering your desired data, you can click on the Save icon. A data box appears below, displaying the adjusted quantity calculated exactly to your scale. You can distribute secure links directly via email. You can continue working on the LawWiz Productivity Suite. This structured layout helps legal professionals validate culinary metrics, test scaling scenarios, and explain food service outcomes with confidence. And that's how you use the LawWiz Recipe Scale Conversion accordion.